You searched how to buy shares of Rocket Companies, Inc. Rocket Companies, Inc. is a U.S. mortgage lender and fintech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RKT. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RKT to find Rocket Companies, Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the company name to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to see recent movement and basic details. Confirm the page references Rocket Companies, Inc. and the RKT ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at market open depending on the broker. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing the trade. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.